POV. You've been praying, but nothing is changing. You wake up every morning hoping today will be different, but it feels exactly the same. The silence is loud. The waiting is painful. And deep down, there's a question you're afraid to say out loud. God, did you forget me? You don't just feel tired, you feel forgotten. Not by people, not by the world, but by God. And that feeling, it's heavy, because this is the same God you trusted, the same God you prayed to, the same God you believed would come through. But now, it feels like heaven is quiet, like your prayers are hitting the ceiling and falling back down. You tried to stay strong. You told yourself, just be patient. God is working. Everything happens for a reason. But if you're being honest, that faith is getting harder to hold on to, because you've seen Him do it for others. You've seen miracles. You've heard testimonies. You've watched people say, God came through right on time. So you ask yourself, why not me? Why am I still here? Why am I still waiting? Why does it feel like everyone else is moving forward and I'm stuck? There are nights you don't talk about. Nights where you stare at the ceiling, thinking, overthinking, questioning everything. Did I do something wrong? Is God punishing me? Am I not good enough? And sometimes, you don't even feel like praying anymore. Not because you don't believe, but because you're tired of hoping and being disappointed. And then there are moments when life hits you harder than usual. Another rejection, another delay, another closed door. And suddenly, it becomes too much. You sit there, quiet, empty, and the words finally come out. God, where are you? And for a moment, there's silence. But what if I told you God hasn't been silent? What if He's been speaking, just not in the way you expected? What if the silence you feel is not absence, but preparation? Because here's the truth nobody tells you. God's delays are not His denials. You see waiting as rejection, but God sees it as protection. You see silence as abandonment, but God sees it as alignment. Right now, while you feel stuck, things are moving that you cannot see. Doors are being positioned, people are being aligned, situations are being rearranged. But because it's not visible, you think nothing is happening. You're not the first person to feel this way. There was a man who was promised greatness, but ended up in a pit. Sold, betrayed, forgotten in prison. For years, nothing made sense. But what looked like abandonment was actually preparation. So maybe, just maybe, this season you're in is not punishment, it's preparation. Not rejection, but redirection. But here's the real question. Can you trust God when you don't understand Him? Can you still believe when you don't see anything changing? Can you hold on when everything in you wants to let go? Because the real battle isn't your situation, it's your faith. The enemy doesn't need to destroy you, he just needs to convince you that God has left you. Because the moment you believe that, you stop praying, you stop trusting, you stop expecting, and that's where you lose. But God is looking at you right now and saying, I have not forgotten you. I see every tear. I hear every prayer, even the ones you didn't say out loud. You think God is doing nothing, but He's working in ways you cannot see. He's strengthening you, building your patience, deepening your faith, preparing you for something that requires a stronger version of you. And yes, it hurts. Waiting hurts. Uncertainty hurts. Silence hurts. But growth always comes with discomfort. So what if, instead of asking, God, why is this happening to me? You ask, God, what are you teaching me? Because maybe this season is not about what you're losing, but who you're becoming. More patient, more resilient, more dependent on God and not on circumstances. Even in the silence, God is still there. Even in the waiting, God is still working. Even in the confusion, God is still in control. But here's what most people don't realize. There is something happening right now that is bigger than your current situation. Something that explains why God feels silent, why things are delayed, and why your story is unfolding this way. And once you understand this, everything changes. Because what feels like God forgetting you might actually be the moment He is setting up something you never saw coming.
So here you are, still waiting, still wondering, still asking questions that feel like they have no answers. And deep down, that feeling hasn't completely left. God, have you forgotten me? But this time, instead of you speaking, listen carefully, because this is what God would say to you. My child, how could I forget you when I formed you? How could I abandon you when I've been with you from the very beginning? I saw you before anyone else knew you. I knew your name before it was ever spoken. I wrote your story before you lived a single day of it. And yes, I saw the nights you cried, the moments you felt alone, the times you called out to me and heard nothing back. But silence does not mean absence. Just because I was quiet doesn't mean I wasn't there. There were moments you thought you wouldn't make it, but somehow you did. That wasn't luck, that was me. When you almost gave up, but found strength to keep going, that was me. When doors closed that you didn't understand, that was also me. You saw rejection. I saw protection. You saw delay. I saw timing. You saw confusion. I saw a bigger picture. If I gave you everything you asked for when you asked for it, you wouldn't be ready for it. And what I have for you requires more than desire. It requires growth. I've been preparing you, strengthening you, shaping you in this hidden season, because where I'm taking you, this version of you wouldn't survive it. You think you've been forgotten, but I've been focused on you. Every tear you cried, I counted it. Every prayer you whispered, I heard it, even the ones you couldn't put into words. I said I would never leave you, and I meant it. The reason this season feels so heavy is because something is shifting, something is changing, something is being prepared. You're closer than you think, closer to the breakthrough, closer to the answer, closer to the moment that will make everything make sense. But if you give up now, you might miss it. If you walk away now, you might never see what I was about to do. I know it's hard. I know you're tired. I know you don't understand. But trust me anyway. Not because you see it, but because I said it. Faith is not believing when it's easy. Faith is holding on when everything around you says let go. I have not forgotten you. I have not left you, and I am not done with you. Now pause, take a breath, and think about your life. All the times you thought it was over, but somehow you made it through. Maybe, just maybe, you've never been alone. Not for a second. Maybe the silence was never empty. Maybe it was full of unseen work. What if this season is not a setback, but a set up? What if the thing you're crying about today is the same thing you'll thank God for tomorrow? So the next time you feel forgotten, remember this: God doesn't forget His people. He prepares them. And sometimes the silence you hate the most is the place where God does His best work. POV. You thought God forgot you, but He was actually preparing something bigger than you imagined. If this spoke to you, don't ignore it. Like, share, and subscribe. Someone else needs this message.